Your project will help the organization launch a new product for a new market. Since it's a new product and new market, okay, and market, many requirements are based on assumptions. What will be the best way to validate assumptions? Okay, look at the option. Conduct a user interview. Do frequent demos to the stakeholder, option B. Option C, deliver a minimum viable product. Option D, give a presentation of assumptions to the stakeholders. Pick up your choice. I pause before I talk about my opinion. Okay, the way I see, looks like all four options are good options. And what we need to do is we need to find out what is the best way to validate assumptions in the context of agile way of working, in the context of when the new product is getting introduced in a new market space. Yeah. So best possible option we have to choose, and then we see what makes a good sense here. Conducting a user interview is a good idea. You have some assumptions, and I personally believe that's the starting point. Whenever you want to do something, you want to discuss with the stakeholders, understand their need and expectation, and then only you want to build something. So you can imagine something, but if you talk to the user, they can give you better perspective of it. So it's a good thing to do in order to find out the right requirement and validating some part of your assumptions. Do a frequent demos to the stakeholder. Again, a good option, because it helps you in showcasing what is working, what is not working, and they can tell you where are you going right, where are you going wrong. Now let's look at the possible weakness in this option. It is just saying demonstration to the stakeholders. Now, stakeholder includes internal as well as an external. We can assume it might include the new product market customer segment, a representative as well, and we are showing them and taking some possible feedback. If the stakeholders are really including the end users, then it seems to be a decent place to collect some feedback. Deliver a minimum viable product. Now, in my view, this is the best option. Yeah. Now, reason is when you are asking or you are showing, the individuals are giving feedback based on what they read based on your presentation or an interview. But when they are using something, they are experiencing something, you may also end up knowing many things which they may not explicitly telling you. You can observe their behavior and you can collect more insightful inputs. And that's the reason it is promoted to produce a first version of the product, which can help you in learning, not necessarily earning, but learning about your customer behavior. And that's the basic utility of MVP, to validate your assumption in a best possible way. Now, option D, giving a presentation, demonstration, option B is far better than D, because you are giving a real presentation of a product, whatever is working. So doing a frequent presentation seems to be better than option D, but option D can also, in some cases, can help. But here we have to choose the best one, and MVP is meant for validating your assumptions, sometimes called hypothesis, which helps you in identifying where are you doing right and where probably you need to change your direction or pivot your way of working or serving your clients. So option C from my side, deliver an minimum viable product.